Hello students, how are you all? Welcome to our virtual class. Today in our math subject, we are going to start new chapter, that is chapter 4, and the name of this chapter is Test of Divisibility. Okay, the chapter's name is Test of Divisibility. Okay, so in our today's class we will know about the test of divisibility. So let me start now. Okay, test of divisibility. So first of all, let us go to this structure. Okay, okay, divisor, quotient, and at last remainder. Okay, means the number which you divide is the dividend, isn't it? The number which you divide is the dividend, and the number you divide by the divisor, by which you divide is the divisor. The number by which you divide is divisor. The answer you got is quotient, and the number left is remainder, isn't it? We are very well known about these words: quotient, divisor, dividend, and remainder, isn't it? So every number cannot be divided by every other number. We know that, isn't it? Every number cannot be divided by every other number, and also it is very difficult for us to find out whether the number is divisible by another number or not. So here, so to find out, okay, to find out whether a number is a divisor of a given number, okay, of a given number. To find whether a number is a divisor of a given number, or we can say, or to find whether a number divides a given number, sorry, let me rub this, divides a given number without leaving remainder, okay, without leaving remainder. We use certain rules, okay. We use, also we can say, we follow certain rules. Okay, this is called the test of divisibility. Okay, we follow certain rules which are called test of divisibility. Okay, yes, this is the test of divisibility. Okay, that means whether the number is divisor of another number or not, or we can say whether a number divides a given number without leaving remainder. We follow certain rules which are called test of divisibility. Means here uh, in we have certain rules to test the divisibility for number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, isn't it? So today let us learn, okay, the divisibility rule for different numbers. Okay, first of all we will go for the test of divisibility by 2. Okay, test of divisibility by 2. At first, test of divisibility by 2. Yes, to check whether the number is divisible by 2 or not, whether the number divides, okay, whether the 2 divides the number without leaving remainder or not. We have certain rules like at first all even numbers are divisible by 2. Okay, all even numbers are divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. And also, okay, all even numbers means what are the even numbers? That even numbers are those numbers which number end with 0. Okay, the numbers which end with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 okay, the number which end with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 are the numbers are even number. For example, yes, 11. This is not even number because here we do not have 0, 2, 4, 6 or end or 8 at the end of this number, so this is not even number, isn't it? And also like 3, 4, 2, 342. Here at the end we have 2, so this is even number, means this is divisible by 2. And 568, see here 8, we have 8 here, so means this is divisible by 2. 621, here 1 is the odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. Understood? And this is how we identify whether the number is divisible by 2. If here is number given 621, then it is not divisible by 2. So if we add 4, then it is divisible by 2. The whole number is divisible by 2. Understood? This is how we check to test whether the number is divisible by 2 or not. This is the very easy way to identify. Understood? So let us go the another rule for the test of divisibility by 3. Okay, test of divisibility by 3. See, for 3, what we have to do that we have to know, okay, like a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of digits of that number is divisible by 3. So let me write the rule here. A number is divisible by 3. Okay, by 3 if the sum of the digits of that number, okay, of that number is divisible by 3? Sorry, divisible by 3. Okay, so suppose any number, okay, suppose any number like here 6 to 1. Now let's check whether the number is divisible by 3 or not. Like we have to add, means here the sum of the digits you can see here. So we have to add each digit here. 6 plus 2 plus 1. What is the sum here? 9. Here the sum is 9. See, 9 is divisible by 3. So the whole number 621 is divisible by 3. Understood? So let us take another number like here. See, we have to test. Now what is the rule? The rule is to add all digits, isn't it? So 5 plus 3 plus 6 plus 2, isn't it? So let's add 5 plus 3 8 and 8 16. Here the sum is 16, but here 16 1 plus 5 6, it is 7. So let me do again. 16, the sum is 16, isn't it? Now 1 6 16 8, again this number 7. 7 is not divisible by 3. 7 is not divisible by 3, isn't it? And 16 is also not divisible by 3. So to make easy, we can add in another step like 16 1 plus 6 7. 7 is not divisible by 3, isn't it? So the whole number is not divisible by 3. Let me write the another example like 1755. We have to check, okay? Yes, you know the rule now. Add all the digit. 5 plus 5. Now find out the sum. Here the sum is 18, isn't it? 18 means we have to know whether the 18 is divisible by 3 or not. If you see the table of 3, 3 6 are 18. So if you add this again, 9. So the 9 is divisible by 3, means the whole number is divisible by 3. Understood, everyone? So I hope you understood the divisibility rule for 2 and 3. So let's go for the another rule, that is rule for 4. Okay, test of divisibility by 4. Test of divisibility by 4. Okay, yes, a number, let me write the rule first. A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits are 0 or the number or divisible by 4. Okay, or divisible by 4. For example, let us take any number like a number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits are divisible, if the last two digits are 0 or, okay, here we have to mention or also, or, okay, here or divisible by 4 means Let us think any number, okay, any number like it is said that the last two digit must be 0. So if we imagine like 4800, does it meet the rule here? Yes, because the last two digit is 00 is 00, so whole number is divisible by 4. Now if we imagine another number like 1448, now here the last two digits are not 0, then what is the another condition? Means another condition is the last two digit must be divisible by 4. There should not be any remainder. So let us check. Okay, let us divide by 4. 1 is 4. Yes, bring down another number 8. 4 2s are 8. Subtract. Okay, no remainder. Yes, the 48 is divisible by 4, means the whole number is divisible by 4. Understood? Means the whole number is divisible by 4. So let us take any other number like 431. See, the last two digit is not divisible by 4 also, and the last two digit are not zeros. So if you want to check, then let's check. 4 8s are 32, 4 7s are 28. Subtract. 3 is the remainder. So here it leaves the remainder, isn't it? It leaves the remainder, means 431 is not divisible by 4. Okay, so these are the rules for test of divisibility. Okay, these are the rules for 2, 3 and 4. So in our coming classes we will discuss the divisibility rule for 5, 6, 9 and 10. Okay, so for today only this much. Try to learn all the divisibility rule for 2, 3 and 4 which we discussed today. Okay, so only this much for today. Bye bye.